Meaning of frigid zone.
Frigid zone.
Frigid zone.
Frigid zone.
Frigid zone. The frigid zone, also known as the polar zone, refers to the regions of the Earth located near the North and South Poles. These zones have extremely cold temperatures due to the low angle of sunlight received by the Earth's surface in these areas. The frigid zone is characterized by frozen tundra, ice caps, and permafrost, making it a harsh environment for most forms of life. Despite this, the frigid zone is home to unique ecosystems, including polar bears, Arctic foxes, and penguins, adapted to survive in these extreme conditions.